Hello, today I'll be showing you how to use the if formula to give us a desired output. In this scenario, we want to see if the D column here gives us an output of 187. So of all these, we want to see which one's 187. So this one's 187, this one's 187, this one is, and this one is. So we want to use the if formula. So we're going to put equals if, comma, logical test. So we're going to see this cell equals 187 and the value if true. So this is the output we want. So in this scenario, I'm just going to put true, if I could spell it correctly, and parentheses, comma, and if it's false, we're just going to say false. Of course, has our false. So then we're going to drag it all the way down, and you can see that false appears here because it is not 187, but for the ones that are 187, they're true, and that's what we wanted. So this is very useful if you're trying to do data analysis. If you want to see if a certain number falls where the desired place is, this is a great formula. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe. Have a good one.